Kenya is under attack, not from soldiers, but from hackers. In the first quarter of 2025 alone, the Communications Authority of Kenya detected over 2.47 billion cyber threat attempts, a 228% surge from last year. And just as the government tried to tighten control by signing the Computer Misuse and Cybercrimes Amendment Act, the High Court suspended the entire law only days later, warning that digital freedoms and privacy rights cannot be compromised in the name of security. Today, we'll unpack what this ruling means and explore the top 5 cybersecurity threats every Kenyan and global digital citizen should know. In mid-October 2025, Kenya's president signed the amendment bill designed to expand surveillance powers, regulate online content, and tighten mechanisms for prosecuting cyber offenses. Supporters say it was urgent. Phishing, ransomware, and fake digital platforms target individuals, businesses, and government systems weekly. But civil society groups, including the Kenya Human Rights Commission and the Law Society of Kenya, filed petitions arguing the law risked free expression and allowed monitoring without oversight. On October 18th, the High Court responded by blocking the law, stating, "Digital rights and freedoms cannot be traded off in the name of cybersecurity." This ruling ignited a national debate. How do we keep people safe online without silencing them? Globally, we see similar tensions. The EU's AI Act, online safety laws in the US and India. The question remains, security versus freedom. Let's now dig deep into some of the threats Kenya is facing. Threat number 1, system vulnerabilities. In Kenya, 2.47 billion attempted attacks were recorded in Q1 2025, mostly targeting outdated software, default credentials, and misconfigured servers. Small businesses remain especially exposed. The newly suspended law had clauses mandating critical infrastructure providers to meet security standards and report incidents. Threat number 2, mobile application attacks. Kenya's rapid mobile adoption has attracted malicious actors. Apps disguised as investment platforms, clone wallets, and SIM swap frauds are on the rise. The law sought to force app developers to protect user data and report breaches within 72 hours. Threat number 3, AI-driven phishing and deep fakes. Cybercriminals now use generative AI tools to mimic voices and videos. A Nairobi company nearly lost 18 million Kenyan shillings after an AI-generated voice call impersonated its CEO. Threat number 4, brute force and web application attacks. Kenya's email servers and WordPress platforms see thousands of login tries per minute. Recent reports show an approximately 300% increase in these attacks year on year. The law would have required organizations to report incidents within 24 hours and face fines for non-compliance. Threat number 5, cyber skills shortage. Kenya produces approximately 1,500 cyber graduates annually, yet faces approximately 45,000 open roles. This talent gap weakens national defenses and increases risk for individuals and businesses alike. Here's what you can do. Use strong, unique passwords. Enable multi-factor authentication. Update your software and apps regularly. Backup data offline. Review mobile app permissions. As a user, know your rights under the Data Protection Act. As a business, conduct risk assessments and train staff. Kenya's cyber war is no longer hypothetical. It's here right now. The High Court's suspension of the Amendment Act reminds us cybersecurity isn't just about tech. It's about freedom, trust, and the right to stay safe without giving up our rights. Hackers are getting smarter. The question is, are we keeping up? Subscribe to Next Gen Tech News for weekly updates on Africa's and the world's evolving tech landscape. Stay alert. Stay informed. Because in cybersecurity, awareness is your first line of defense.